Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a 2022 Puma 28 RKQS. Beautiful trailer. You can see the solid step above steps there to make it nice and easy to get in. We've also got a little outdoor kitchen on this unit, which we love to show off. You've got a flat top gray stone, as well as a little fridge there. A couple other outdoor features, of course, your LP quick connects underneath there so you can get your gray stone going. You've also got power jacks to get yourself set up and ready to camp when you get to the campsite, and a power tongue jack on the front end. Let's take a look at the inside though. You've got a nice big slide out, and look at all the floor space on this one. I made the joke earlier today, you could play floor hockey in there. You've got all kinds of space in there. You've got pets, kids coming along to visit, that sort of thing. You've got all kinds of space. Freestanding dinette, side-by-side Thomas Paine chairs, a little bit of storage above there. Your pantry at the back gives you all kinds of storage space to bring a few things along when you're camping. If you're towing this unit, you can load up on groceries. If you're camping seasonally, you can make sure you keep yourself supplied while you're away. Nice high-rise faucet, breakaway handle there so you can spray off your dishes. You've got a stainless steel barn-style sink and good corner space there with some extra spots to plug a few things in. Nice backsplash feature there too on the Puma. 3-burner cooktop, gray stone oven underneath, Magic Chef microwave, some great storage options above. And again, with that plug at the back, that might be your spot to set up your extra appliances. You've got a 12-volt fridge, good size Everchill fridge on this unit. Take a spin around, take a look here at the social space. So you've got a side-by-side trifold couch there, more of a love seat really, but that'll open up and give you a little bit of extra space if you want to have some company come along. You've got some extra sleeping space for them. Life's a venture, enjoy the ride. Love that message from our friends at Puma. Summer is upon us, time to get out and enjoy some camping. And again, from this other corner, we'll take a look at that floor space. Look at that entertainment center too. You've got a nice 31-inch fireplace, multiple colors. You've got a Bluetooth stereo built into this unit, as well as a nice big TV over top. We'll take a look at the front of the camper here, the main bedroom. Down at the end of the hallway here, you've got shirt closets on either side. That nice faux barn board finish adds a nice touch of decor. Spot on either side to store a few things. You've got a standard plug on each side and a USB port here on the campsite as well. Spot to mount a TV if you'd like to have a TV in your bedroom already built in, plumbed up, and ready to go. Take a quick look at the bathroom here to round out the tour. Foot flush toilet. Nice linen closet spot there. Nice finish there on the towel rod or towel hook. You've got a nice size shower with a spot to sit down. You've got that nice tub enclosure already set up in there to keep things nice and dry and safe. You've got a skylight as well. Storage below the sink, good size sink, nice polished black look to the faucet, and you've got a medicine cabinet as well. So again, this is a look at the 2022 Puma 28 RKQS. Beautiful couples camper, great floor plan, all kinds of space. Again, right in the mid-level there. If you want to tow this, you can certainly tow it around with the right vehicle, and if you want to set up on a seasonal campground, you've got all kinds of space here to really open things up. Come on in and see us here, folks. Leisure Time Sales, Chris Pam Sis, our friends at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton. Don't let another summer pass you by. Get out and enjoy some memories with friends and family. We'd be happy to help you with that.